Coach? What's good? What's good? What's good, everyone? What's good? Get my. Still waiting on my Apex to be approved, so we're still only trading on 4 accounts today, like yesterday. Okay, so market open and we went straight up. Nice. This might already be looking like yesterday. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Fat S&T.
You are being a role model for dealing.
So, Call, if you guys are hitting me up on bro, Aiden, I was literally just about to say, bro. I like got fucking something happened to my Instagram. I guess I got like reported or something, but I can't send DMs for 3 days. If you guys are sending me DMs, I have to wait 3 days before I can respond. It's so retarded. Yeah, I don't know. I appealed it, so hopefully in like a day I'll be able to respond to people. Looking shorts. Oh, over it. We've already gone through the power through between Asian. That's actually ass. Alright, for all the students who were in the live yesterday, this is one of those unfortunate circumstances where, look, Asian session low's already been taken and high's been taken in London session. So usually when that happens, we usually keep expanding, but there are times where we just come back and take out the lows. So telling you guys, if you're watching the TikTok chat or the TikTok live or you're one of my students, just looking for the power of 3 every day across the sessions will help so much with the daily profile. Like already here, okay, I already understand we've already taken the highs and lows. I need to see like a real reason for us to come lower. If not, I'm gonna just assume we're going higher. So, and hopefully my reason will be this 5-minute gap that forms here. We'll just have to see. What indicator is that? I think it's called like the Lux Algo. Oh no. Yeah, I think it's the Lux Algo sessions indicator. Or no, it's by Sonar Lab. Come on in, Danny. He said, I think you failed to inverse the daily fair value gap. Are you talking about this gap? Oh, no, we inversed that one. Interesting. Dude, just have a lot of room down here, though. Yeah, on mine, make sure your chart is right because yesterday my chart was bugged out. Wait, let me see. Yeah, for me it has it inversed on the day. Okay, we just put in the first 5-minute gap. Even though we're not really close to 10 o'clock just yet, we are, we're like 20 minutes, but we're gonna be coming into that 9:50 macro as we're reacting off this 5 minutes. So let's see what happens. Top step X chart isn't 100% accurate. Yeah, that does sound interesting. Hey, what's the higher time from SMT? Is it bullish or bearish? Like, did NQ make a higher high or did ES make the higher high? And Aiden. Okay, NQ made the high. Boom, that puts us bearish. Aiden, you could use Trade-Evate. Trade-Evate might help you out. See if you can find something in there. Should have been like top step X, same shit. Okay, and those for the people who were in the call yesterday as well, look at the 15-minute chart here. Does that not look like manipulation to you? All these orders taken out. Let's see what happens. Party like it's 1919. I'm gonna switch back to Apex. I'm gonna use Trade-Evate. Yeah, that's definitely smart. And you can come in and talk if you want, bro. I can invite you to the stage. No stream? What you mean? Streaming on TikTok right now? Ain't even notice. Okay, so 5 minutes. Partially respecting. Let's see, what's my YouTube channel? Just at Andrew Trades. I think it's with 2 Z's though. All the lives that you're seeing here just get posted onto YouTube. So you're not missing anything. No, if we get the 5-minute inverse, because we are in like a 15-minute gap here. If we get the 5-minute inverse, that would be enough for me to probably be starting to look for the lower time frame entry. Party like it's 1919. Throw me on there. Just like raise your hand or like request to speak. Oh, there he goes. What's good? What's
Yo,
good?
what's good?
What's up? What's up?
How we doing?
Pretty good, boss. How we doing?
Sir.
Wait for
Yo,
this.
so I sent you like a setup
Yeah.
from last night. Yo, I'm actually getting it down.
Fire. Yeah, dude, I woke up and I went to like send my girlfriend a fucking reel this morning. It just says can't send anything for 3 days. I'm like, what the fuck? And then go to see, and I have like 20 DMs, bro. And I saw you were one of them. I was like, shit. I don't know how I'm supposed to even tell these people I can't
It
respond.
didn't tell you why? It didn't tell you
I
why?
think it's because one of my posts got removed. I don't know. It was like because bro, whenever I put like making whatever in the title, I think either people are reporting them or people are saying like it's scam, and then like it's getting banned for fraud or whatever. I don't know. That's like the second time it's happened.
Yo, it's gotta be the multiple like fake accounts.
Yeah, that is well.
Something to do with it.
Yeah, I'm not too worried about that.
Yeah. I think I have like 4 more Andrew Trades follows on TikTok. I don't even like use TikTok
It's
much.
actually insane.
My God.
It's more than me, bro. I only have 2.
Dude, let me check. Yeah, I just been thinking like I already know all the ICT concepts, but I'm
Yeah.
kind of just like trying to find a model that I fall in love with, if that makes sense. Like I love the IFVGs, but the CISD for some reason I don't know. It's like it's appealing to me.
Yeah, it is very. Okay, we just inversed the 5-minute gap here, so now I'm coming to the 30-second. Okay, if we respect this gap, then could put in the order block. And change the delivery, I'll be in. We just hope to see an inverse or a respect here. Party like it's 1990. Crap, I don't know if we're gonna get that pullback that we want. All we need to do is probably just see an order block here, and I'll probably be in.
Are you gonna trade?
Oh yeah, I'm definitely about to trade this. Yeah, if we get change the delivery out of this, I'll be in. Fuck. Entry might be fucked. Because I would have liked this point to be break even.
It's already entered.
Yeah, that's just gonna rip.
Okay, we might actually get a decent entry. Fuck! Oh, we
So
didn't
you're
even get
looking
we
at
didn't even
that
get the change in
5-minute.
state. Oh. Okay, wait. Something might have to happen here before we move. Bro, that's why 30 seconds so clutch.
Yo, correct me if I'm wrong. Is the order block forming right now?
Yeah, so like this would be the order
Okay, I
block
see
right
it.
there. That or just
Yeah,
even
yeah.
just that one candle to the upside would have been the order block. If this made the change state out of it, that would have been fine.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yo.
What up, Jack?
What's good?
It's good, brother.
You
You're
said
only
5
targeting 750, 725?
Yep, 750 every time. Or
Yeah,
725,
5-minute.
just like 700.
5-minute bullish fair value gap that it could be rejecting off of to get some pullback.
Yeah. Yep.
Can you tell me what your stop loss at?
100 ticks every time. Doesn't matter where it's at, it's just 100 ticks.
Okay.
And I'm not in on the trade though, so.
Oh, you're not?
No, I didn't enter. We didn't get
Oh.
my entry.
Okay, I'm gonna move to break even.
Now, yeah, I probably should have entered though. Honestly, just as soon as we formed the order block, I should have came in because this would have been break even. If you were entered right there.
To break even. Yeah, one thing I noticed from back testing is to wait for that pullback before entering,
Yep.
because usually when it pulls back, it's either gonna rip to the upside or then continue lower.
Exactly. Kind of pissed though. I think I missed the entry. Because this would have been the piece of pie I wanted to catch. Because again, I'm thinking it's coming here. But now we're missing. This would have been now another break-even point if I had gotten a re-entry.
Dang, Andrew, I'm back to break even from being down 1.5%.
Yeah, man. There we go.
Dang!
Damn,
Dang!
Blues just missed that trade.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
Yeah, that was easy profits. I was thinking when we start getting these pullbacks, I was thinking we were going to come tap all the way back into the 5-minute and then move lower. That's the only thing that you can get fucked on. It's okay though, because we still do have the target down here, and the 4-hour lows, so still do have a chance to catch the piece of the pie. Just will be a later piece, unfortunately.
Only one profit a day, right? I can't
Oh
take
yeah,
another
no
trade.
more
if I
trades
did.
for you. You were done.
Okay.
You shouldn't even be wanting any more trades. Like you shouldn't even be thinking about that. If you took your winning trade, you should be the most content.
That's
Yeah,
the easiest. You
I'm
should definitely
back
get
to
off.
break even, bro.
You even
I
hit
thought I was
TP yet?
cooked. I did, yeah.
Yeah, I was about to say. About to say. Yeah, people are telling you to Get off the charts. Okay, this is honestly what we want to see. Hopefully we can get a rejection, yeah, back into that 5-minute gap. Or get some sort of respect.
5 minute did not close below. Can get some pullback.
Ooh, it did just close below there though. Morning, I guess night. So for people wondering why I didn't take that trade, I mean I could have, but again it would have been a little bit less probable because again I'm always thinking probabilities. It would have been a little bit less probable just with the fact that I don't know, I just did like the fact that we probably could have pulled back up before moving lower. But now that we've moved lower, taking out some orders, I do think we'll move higher before we move lower fully. And if we just keep moving lower, then just sucks to suck. I just probably won't be able to get an entry today. But if we move higher and respect this fair value gap and move lower, then I will be very much looking for a trade. Oh, what's up, Gabe? Gabe, how long until you start your mentorship, bro? Or not mentorship?
Monday.
Internship? Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Rips in the chat. Bro's officially employed.
Yeah, but I'm getting paid. I'm getting paid like $500 today to do some work, so I'm gonna cop some more accounts.
Fire. I don't know, Loki, bro, if you're about to go, I know you said you might be trading some Asia session with Splash. But I don't know, I feel like you could just like stack a couple accounts and just have them. So then when you come back, like once you're done with your internship, you're guaranteed just have some like funded accounts ready for you.
Yeah, I might do something like that.
Took it full TP. Nice work, bro. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Yeah, that was a good trade. Again, I just wanted to see one more confluence before I entered to make me super content. But again, you guys see the piece of the pie model, even if you're not even catching the full move, you're still smashing TP before even actually catching the full move. So
You wait for the order block, right?
yeah, I mean, but then you want that change to stay out of the order block.
Got it. Maybe that's what I'm doing wrong when I'm backtesting.
Yeah, because if you're just getting the order block, that's not enough confluence for me. I need to see the order block and then the change state on the 32nd. Because we form order blocks all the time, like an order block's forming right now. Yeah, I am short on the day, but I didn't catch a trade yet. Who is Simon? I don't know who the fuck Simon is. She made 1320. Good shit. Good shit. Do we always trade into new week opening gaps? Most of the time, we will fill that gap at some point in the week. Or not like fully fill it, but we'll tap into it at some point. I don't know, but this week's opening gap was low-key massive, so I wouldn't be surprised if it takes us maybe another week to get there. Okay, we are starting to reject. No fair value up there. So like these fair value gaps, someone talked about that yesterday. Though that's not a valid fair value gap. I don't trade those. Like this little, like that's like 1 point, 2 points maybe. I don't trade those gaps. The gaps need to be like the size of your thumb or a decent size. That makes sense. Okay, if we can get a 1 minute fair value gap here, if we respect that 1 minute and then get that 30-second entry that I want to see, that could also be a valid entry. But again, I need to see that 1 minute respected before I can then look for the 30-second. Just because we're at, like, we are in a premium right now. If you're looking to short, like, obviously the best time to short would have been up here, but now we're in the premium, so you do need to look for the best entry possible if you're looking to continue the short. So if we completely inverse, I'd probably tell me we might be going higher, but if not, could be continuing going lower. You have to keep in mind that 10 o'clock is coming around the corner here.
On my back testing, I usually enter. I'll talk after, I guess.
You said what?
No, I'll talk after before
Okay.
after the trade.
That's nice. Well, if we had got the change of state right there, that would have been sexy. This probably will be the entry though. Ooh, although we have an SMT on US. Luckily I checked that. Still no 30-second change in state. Struggling to get those 30-second change states right now. Yeah. Look at that. See, if you had tried to call the predetermined change state, we might now just literally flip to the other side. So you guys always gotta wait for candles to close. Ooh, that change in state. Oh, look at that. They could have fucked someone with that. Literally like 1 point. See that? Okay, right here, I've talked about this, right? Okay, guys. Okay, we've looked like we're expanding on the 5-minute, right? But it does look like we could possibly be entering consolidation before entering another power of 3 sequence to move lower. Like, to me right now, it looks like the 5-minute possibly wants to form some consolidation before manipulating out and then creating that final distribution lower. Because, I mean, we're really kind of just like chopping here. Let's see. We are respecting that gap, though, pretty nicely. So I think literally all I'm waiting for here is a 30-second change of state. And we are yet to get one in this whole range. It's my win rate. I've had like an 89% win rate on the past 3 weeks. Or you can just say 90.
Isn't a CISD a displacement or no?
What do you mean by displacement?
I'm
Displacement's
assuming it's
just
the
when
same
you
thing.
react heavily off a level. So like if we tap into this level and then just immediately tap in and boom, that would be displacement.
And then CISD is
It's just a change in state delivery. It's, I mean, because it can be displacement if it's reacting off a level and like impulsively making the change in state, but displacement's different from change state delivery. Change state
okay.
delivery is just its own thing.
See, there I would have entered there, where the candle wicked.
You would have entered here
But
on longs.
no, and where the candle wicked, because I thought they respected that
Here?
gap, so I would assume it continue lower. Yeah,
Yeah, so you gotta wait for the change in state. You gotta wait for it to close below that.
so closed candle. Got it.
Yeah, no, I'm not really ever taking trades until the candle's closed. Everybody getting
Okay.
cooked today? Yeah, if you got caught in this range, you probably are getting cooked pretty bad.
It is pretty ugly.
Does look like the 15-minute just went through a straight power of 3 though. These wicks, like look at this. We consolidate, manipulation, distribution. Even though it's in the form of wicks, you can still very much see it. Like here you can see it better.
I'm gonna go back to sleep. I'll see you guys. Thanks, Andrew.
Yeah, good night, man. That was a student who just banked for 750 on the trade I didn't take, but he ended up taking it and smashing. Party like it's 1919. Okay, we're respecting this 5-minute gap already off rip. Go ahead and get rid of that. I do like the fact that that could have been manipulation as we just took out all these orders here. Could possibly get a very nice 2-minute gap here. You took it for 500. Nice, nice. Again, I personally didn't take because I was waiting for more confidence, but I just think that was still a great trade. Just because the break-even point was pretty nice. And it was, again, catching that piece of the pie. That trade was in the discount as well, which is where you always want to be in trading. There's still a good amount of lows. Yeah, no, I'm still looking lower. I'm not tripping. I wasn't even thinking about trading today. When I looked at the news, I was questioning trading today, but tomorrow I might not be trading. We'll have to see. We're probably gonna get this gap here. Okay, maybe not. Stay patient. Yeah, for real. Yeah, 10 o'clock just came in, guys. So now we do, if we're looking lower, we want to see, for people wondering, like, what is putting in the wick? Well, if we're going lower, we want to see the wick of the 4-hour candle get put in higher and then catch that body lower. So, respecting a 2-minute gap as well right now. So if we respect this 2-minute gap and inverse this 2-minute gap, that would be the pretty good formula. And we have an SMT currently. Oh, wait, no. Plus CIST question mark? What do you mean? Oh, yeah. If we get the inverse of the 1 minute or the 2 minute, and then I'm coming down to 30 second looking for that change state. Longer shorts, I'm looking shorts currently. What we don't want to see is this get rejected or respected. Change the deliveries all day over breaking structures because breaking structures can just be manipulation. You can just wick out of a range, calling it a break-in structure, but in reality, it's probably just wicking out orders and then moving lower or moving higher. So I don't really like break-in structures. I think change deliveries will do you a lot better. 1,000 times over 1,000. SFT plus breaking structure. I don't really trade breaking structures at all. I don't think I trade break. Yeah, I don't think breaking structures are even in my bag. I'm not gonna lie. Change day delivery is just when a candle closes above wicks. So if a candle closes below this wick, that would be a change day delivery. If on the 30 second, a candle closes below all these wicks, that would be a change day delivery. Show 15-minute? Bro, go look at the 15-minute yourself. What do you mean? I have the 15-minute up on my chart for my own. is 1919. I'm off the charts by. Good stuff, bro. Yeah, if you took a trade, you guys won. Definitely just hop off for the day. You don't need to be on here all day. The EMA is 200. So like the EMA usually just tells me if we're in the premium or discount, and like right now, if we're below the line, we're in the we're in the premium. If we're looking lower, but if we're above the line and I'm looking lower, we're in the discount. It doesn't tell you like perfectly though. Like, okay, let's see. Like, what would be the premium discount of like this range? Let's see if it's like if it's relative. Okay, so yeah, it is relatively like the exact same as the EMA. So it's not a confluence. It's literally just kind of telling me where we're at, and if I should be looking for more probable entries or I'm okay taking the less probable entry. So I think I want to talk about that today, the lesson about why actually, like maybe you did need to wait for that 30-second change date on the trade today, just because we were so far in the discount, and it was just such a clear trade. Could have possibly taken without it, but it's all good. Because again, waiting for more confluences and being more confident in your setup will always result in probably better results. Up 2,000 still haven't sold? Brother, why? Waiting for it to take out lows? Yeah, but you gotta think in probability wise, bro. There's literally a 5-minute gap resting right above here, right here, and there's this wick that just took out all of the orders that we could very much easily take out. What confluence do I have? Okay, very simple. If we inverse this 5-minute gap, go higher, I'm not looking for a trade. We respect the gap, go lower, I look for a short. Simple as that.
If that 2-minute gets inversed, I think it's almost A plus.
yeah,
Honestly,
yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. That 2-minute looks golden.
definitely want those London lows.
Yeah, because we just put in a SMT as well.
Mhm.
Pretty big SMT.
Yeah, we already took out highs off open. I don't even want any higher because then we got fair value gaps kind of blocking us through. So they'll be in our way.
Only thing that gets me scared about going higher is the daily inverse fair value gap from yesterday. Which looks a little insane. But besides that.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, I think honestly, if we go higher, we got to take out the lows first.
That's exactly
If
what I'm
not,
saying, though.
well,
If we inverse this 5-minute gap, we could possibly just keep moving higher. It's hard to say. Without even taking the lows. Like, it's not guaranteed we'll take the lows. But if we respect the 5-minute gap and then push lower, then yeah, it's probably guaranteed we'll take those lows.
I'm not gonna lie, like we look pretty bullish right now.
That's
Just
what I'm
looking
saying.
at every
So,
time frame.
yeah, we're just gonna really need to see a real confluence here. You're waiting it tagged in? Oh shit, bro, it's Powell trades here. Where's your limit order? What's your price at? We'll mark your trade. It's 978 Cole. We're gonna snipe your trade here.
Yo, what chat are you reading?
Oh, it's my TikTok chat, bro. I've got like 450 people in the TikTok chat right now.
Shit, I had no idea.
Yeah, dude, TikTok.
I was looking at Discord. I'm like, yo, where the fuck is the chat?
It's just not coming. Now there is a little chat though, but like people aren't really saying much. Last text was 10:01.
Oh.
But we got a good amount of guys in here though. We got 24 students in here. This is sweet.
I see it. Yeah, TikTok live, so many viewers.
Dude, yeah, it's ridiculous. Because I mean, bro, just think about if you're I don't really be using TikTok, but like when you do, you just be scrolling on your phone, you just come across a live stream. I mean, it's
Yeah,
like
and
the
then you
same
watch
thing.
it.
Yeah, and then like you just see you get interested and you just click on it.
Mm-hmm.
Quinn with the what?
Yo,
Bro,
you definitely have some retards in that just like tell you
dude,
don't
yeah,
do this,
some
don't
of
do
the
that.
some of the shit I see in the chat are just ridiculous. Bro, that ratio on that laptop is the craziest ratio I've ever seen. I've never seen a square laptop in my life.
Wait,
Beast
what?
Rothwell trader. This is, look at the kid that Quinn what he sent in
Wait, in the Discord?
Yeah, in the Discord chat. It's like the iPad gang.
That's
Okay, yeah, I was so
That's an
confused,
iPad. That's an
bro.
iPad. That's
I was like, I've never seen a computer. Oh, yo, wait, what's happening? Go to Live Studio. What the fuck's happening?
Yeah, no, that's an iPad.
Yeah, I was
Maybe
like,
that's how it is nowadays.
seriously.
It's fucking crazy.
Trading on the touchscreen would be kind of tough.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna need one of those.
13-inch FN.
Yo, that 5-minute rejection's pretty nice.
Yeah, it's looking pretty sexy. So I mean, if we just here, I'm just for the students that are in the call yesterday talking about like the steps by steps. Next step right now, I have to see the 2-minute inverse before I look for anything more.
Yeah, you need confirmation.
Yeah, like I need to
Especially if
see
you're
that.
so bullish.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
right now.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, because think about it, there are people who are like probably have good money who are sitting on the daily time frame who see the daily inverse and are probably pumping a bag into the market.
Mm-hmm. But if that's the case, like the people that are smart might want the lows first,
Yeah,
these
yeah,
London lows. That's what I'm
exactly.
saying. Like,
Because the market makers always gotta make that shit work.
mm-hmm.
So yeah. Yeah, we're respecting on that 5-minute pretty nicely, so it does look like we could be in store for something nice here.
I would much prefer it to close under that bottom wick too,
Yeah, that would also
with
be
the
very
inverse.
nice. I feel like it almost has to if it closes in
It
between
probably
that, that's
will.
like 1 point, 2
Mm-hmm.
points.
Mm-hmm.
I'm up $800 right now. Break even. I top take that shit.
Fuck yeah, Jack.
I'm low key. Should I wait till London take London, or should I close right now? I'm up 9 bills.
See the goat.
900. I would just get out,
Yeah,
honestly,
yeah, we just took like that. You could call that a take profit point right there because we just swept out the.
or just trail your stop to like.
I don't know,
if you-
Jack. If I was taking the trade, this would have been my piece of the pie right here. Catching it to that little wick right there.
I closed when it hit that bottom tick.
Yeah, smart. So damn,
Only
we edged that
Crazy
inverse and
fake
just
out.
clapped it.
If this candle flips it inverses,
Yeah,
that'd
if
be
it does flip an
money.
inverse, we are gonna be eaten.
That'd be insane.
Respecting 5-minute. Yeah, we are respecting the 5-minute, but we do. And cash banked. Okay, y'all both banked. Cash and Jack going crazy. All the students banked right now, and I haven't even taken a trade yet. Love to see
Yeah,
it.
I didn't
Love
take
to
that
see it.
trade either. I didn't really fuck with it.
No, that's good though. It's showing what I'm teaching is working for you guys now. You can actually go out and do your own trades.
That's the biggest trade I've ever had on the Express account.
Type shit. Clap it up.
five.
Clap it up. SMT. Ooh, yeah, there is a bearish SMT. We've been bearish SMTs though all day. We're still looking bullish though. Like this looks ridiculous. We do have a 15-minute gap. Like if we inverse that 15-minute gap, that would be mwah. But that would low-key take a while.
Wait, it would have to be this one candle here. The last minute we have with it.
Yeah. What's up, Reggie? I'm in on longs. Not a bad idea. I'm just not really looking for anything unless we get shorts. So, simple as that. Trump speaks today. Bro, I feel like y'all have been saying that shit every single day in my chat. How tall am I? 6'1". I got long. Nice, nice. He speaks every day, LMAO. Yeah, it seems like it. We're respecting this 1 hour fair value gap. To the upside or downside? Ooh, yeah, to the upside. I don't know, though. There's still 45 minutes left in the candle. You can't really say we're respecting just yet with only a quarter
Still
of the
swept
candle.
highs too.
Yeah.
We're rejecting again.
He's doing more of the Dubai investments. Interesting. Economy is definitely seeming like it's booming though right now. Like everything's looking green. Things are definitely looking good. So I don't know, it definitely is. So in bias, it's as simple as if we just keep rejecting fair value gaps to the downside, I'm looking to go downside or short. If we keep inversing and disrespecting gaps to the upside, I will not take trades.
It's got to be like right here. It's just a no trade day, honestly.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd give it probably another 15 minutes if we don't get anything, I'll probably might just be another day of no trades because the 15-minute that looks awful, bro. I'm not even looking at. Pass my first eval off the rejection of the 5-minute. Let's go.
Do I love full porting the Apex evals?
Not for real. Full boarding Apex eval is probably my favorite thing ever.
So fucking cheap. Just buy one for $30 and just rip
Bro, yeah,
that shit.
and when it's the 90% off, when it's like $16, bro, that shit's even better.
It's not even that, bro. It's when they're $85 to activate.
Yeah, bro, yes, I do miss the old activation fees.
Oh, dude, no, that shit, that's still a thing. It just comes out so like it's rare. I think
I didn't even know they
every
had
once in a
like
while.
random drops. Apex is so
Oh, it's
bundle.
so random. Like when you see $85 PA
Yeah,
fee,
that
like you
I'm
have
jumping on
to
that
cop
one.
hella accounts from
Yeah.
that shit.
I
It's
personally
like
have had
$100.
nothing
total.
but the best experience with Apex. But yeah, dude, $100 for a whole account is actually insane. But dude,
They actually
Take
pay
Profit
out.
Trader, you know about Take Profit Trader?
Yeah, but I never used it though.
Bro, I mean, it's literally $130. Like, there is no activation fee, but you're paying like upfront basically for the combine. But I mean, you're basically paying the activation
Oh, you
fee
pass
for
it, you just keep
Apex.
it.
Yeah, you just pass it, but then you can get paid out same day, which is like actually insane. He's not in here right now,
Yo,
but there's this dude named Splash Trades. He's one of my friend's like little brothers. He's been banking, but he's fun to his Take Profit Trader. He's literally been getting paid out like every single day for like the past 2 weeks. I'm pretty sure.
Wait, so when I pass my eval or challenge on it,
hmm
let's say I take a trade the first day, like I get paid out the same
Nah,
day.
so you
or
gotta
what?
have over 2100. So
Certain
basically,
days.
like he just basically Splash will like build up his buffer to 2100, and then anything he makes over 2100, he just pulls out each day.
Damn.
Yeah, so it's lucky pretty crap.
Shit.
Last night I traded Asia Sesh
Oh, yeah.
and I took a trade. I lost $100 and I went back and looked and it was on an eval that I had already passed, just not activated yet.
Oh.
So now I'm down to 52,900. So now I gotta make that 100 back.
Oh, that's so ass.
Yeah, it's cooked.
Don't I have
I
school?
fucking
I'm
hate
dropped out,
Asia
bro.
session.
Yeah, same,
Yeah,
bro.
Asia Session will just rug your shit and take your money.
I'm the biggest Asian session hater.
The thing I just don't understand about Asia, I think like you just can't catch those big ass moves as much. Like I feel like a 20-point move on Asia is like a 60-point on New York session.
Asia's very technical, I feel like.
Yeah.
Down 900 today. Very, very sad. I'm sorry. It's unfortunate.
I'm gonna be done. I gotta go throw some straw in someone's yard, so I'm gonna be done here.
Fire, fire. We'll
Alright,
catch you,
lads, I'll
brother.
catch you.
This is. You look at Apex scammers, bro. I've literally never had a problem with them. I wouldn't affiliate for a firm that I don't personally use.
They paid me out fine. Like
Yes.
people say they don't pay out, but like
You just
they
don't
just don't know how
trade.
to follow the rules.
Yeah,
Exactly.
unfortunately.
And the thing that like kind of fucking pisses me off is when people complain about the consistency rule.
Yes,
Like,
bro.
bro, it's 30%. Like, bro, if you have a 50K account, just don't make more than 780. Just take your
Yes,
profits. Like that's a
literally all
lot of
you have
money
to do.
still.
It's really not that hard. If you can't follow the Apex rules, then you're just simply never gonna be a profitable trader or a consistent trader. It's literally that simple.
Yeah. Like I think I made 900 on that account that I got paid out on, so I had to make a little more. But it was just like not much more though. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
It's not that hard to fucking follow.
Yeah, it's really not. And honestly, I recommend to anyone, if you are like a beginner trader, honestly just learn how to trade Apex. And if you can learn how to trade Apex, you will be able to go out and just dominate every other firm without a doubt.
It makes Top Step easy as fuck.
Yeah, I mean, it also then just kind of. I personally don't even trade Top Step anymore. I think they're a little too expensive for me. I'm not about to take like 200.
I'm not gonna lie, yeah. $200 is kind of. I just paid a band for my accounts pretty much,
Yeah,
passed them, and then pretty much just paid to activate them.
Yeah, if you're running a 5 account stack on Top Step, bro, you're literally spending a K just to run the stack.
Yeah. So annoying.
Yeah, Apex unfortunately does have an activation fee. Have heard good things about Alpha Futures. I haven't really used them though. Take Profit low key good. I'm telling you guys, just wait. Give it a year, and Take Profit Trader is literally gonna have like Top Step and all these firms changing their rules. Just wait. Promise you.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go to that shit.
Another definitely move.
Take Profit Trader.
Although if you don't use the code, like if you don't use someone's code, it'll be like 180. So you low key gotta use the code to make it affordable. But it's like 30% off all the time. So I'm assuming like they're gonna probably then start running like 50%, maybe even 60%. Thoughts on TGR? I think
Shit.
TGR is good.
Wait, 30% makes it what, 100 what?
Like 120, 130, I think, flat. And then there's obviously no activation fee.
Yo, I'll use your code if I ever go to
Yeah.
Take Profit Trader.
Sure. Fire. Will prop firms be here forever? It's actually a good question. I feel like they probably will be.
They're not going nowhere.
Yeah, I feel like
It's such a smart business model.
Yeah, they're
Come
so
on.
profitable already. Like they may run into like as people do get better at trading, they might see their profitability slip just slightly. But as of right now, bro, I'll tell you there are so many shitty traders out there. They are fucking banking off of all of you guys. They are making so much money off of you guys.
Factual.
It's just insane. I haven't taken any trades today, but I am still looking for a trade, yes. Yeah, Apex's gross revenue came out. It's not like their take-home profits, but gross revenue came out. They made 40 million in a month. At the end, I mean, they are then paying out people. I think they profited like 25 maybe. But 25 mil a month is pretty fucking ridiculous, bro.
Yeah, what they're paying out is like nothing near how much they're making.
Yeah,
Shit,
I mean,
too.
that ratio is about like half of what they're making, half what they're paying out.
Them paying out doesn't do anything to them. It does not hurt them at all. It's like it's crazy.
Pretty insane to think though. Do you know who JadeCap is, Aiden?
Who?
JadeCap. Oh, bro,
I do not.
you gotta watch, bro. He broke the record for the biggest Apex payout. He got paid out 2.5 mil. So out of
Fuck off.
so out of like Apex's monthly revenue or profit, they paid out like 10% of that to one person. It's fucking ridiculous.
Oh my! I saw a 1.4 million payout like somewhere last year.
Yeah.
I was like, no fucking way.
Some dude, his name's Ryad Andrew. He actually had hit me up last night.
Oh, I know who that is.
Dude, he said he blew like a 1-point-something million dollar payout all in a day. Like he was so close to passing, he needed like 2 more days or something to be able to request it, and then blew it all in a day, bro. I was like,
How'd he
what
blow
does
it?
that even feel like? Like that's got to be the worst shit ever, bro.
Holy, that's fucked. 'Cause
Yeah.
I know I see his Instagram. Like I know he has like 20 Apex accounts.
Yeah, he
just
runs
banks
fast
on that
stats.
shit.
What's
Yeah,
all, dude,
I
I'd
think when
definitely watch some JadeCap. JadeCap, he helped me so much with like daily profiles and like weekly profiles, and like understanding like how wicks get put in and like open high low closes of candles. I would definitely watch some of his content. He's been trading for like 12 years, so
Oh, I know what that is. I just
Yeah.
never watched him.
he's friends with like Dodgy and like
Yeah, that's where I've seen him.
Yeah.
Shit.
He's definitely the
Okay.
unk of the space though. He's like he's got to be like 30 or 40. His name is
Definitely knows his
JadeCap
shit.
Official.
Yeah, I'm on his page right now on his YouTube. World record payout holder.
Yeah, dude, it's
That's
insane.
crazy.
I'm assuming that's probably the biggest payout across any prop firm. I don't think
Easy.
Top Step's paying out like that. I don't think any firm's paying out like that.
No, definitely no. Because Apex has their accounts so cheap, and again, like you said, there's so many bad traders out there. Like they're gonna just repeat. That's why I don't recommend That's why I say on my page, like, I don't think you should get a prop from as a beginner,
Dude,
honestly.
yeah, that's what I try and tell a lot of the students that come in, but again, a lot of people don't really listen and they just kind of want that first payout. One of my students, I posted him last night. His name's Austin. He got his, it's on my story right now. He got his first ever certificate, but he took the process exactly how I recommended for everyone, and this is exactly how I did it. He's literally spent 3 months spending every day just live paper trading. So he didn't even buy an account. He didn't do any of that. He just
Dude,
paper
that's how you're
traded
supposed to go
every
for it.
day for 3 months until he proved to himself that he was actually passing these fundeds. After he passed like 5 to 10 fundeds on paper, he went and bought a funded account. I don't know if it was his first or second one, but he passed it almost instantly. So
Fucking, that's sick.
yeah.
That's what I said to a
Ooh,
lot of
Austin's in
people.
here
Like,
right now. Austin, wait, how many accounts did it take you? Didn't see you were in here. Let's go. Sorry, I didn't go ahead.
that's how you're like. I always tell people like, always like go on paper first and like make your account 50K, obviously just for the leverage,
Yeah.
and then pretty much take a prop room challenge.
Yeah.
Try and get 3K with your drawdown of 2,500, and just keep doing it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I think a lot of traders, I mean, they literally just like come in and just want the money, want the passing certificate or want all that. But in reality, like, I mean, it's a skill. Like this shit takes time. You really do just got to learn it. And I always tell everyone it's literally just like professional athletes. Like obviously some of them are like damn 7 foot and just absolutely gifted, but there are some of them who worked their ass off, got really good at what they do, and now they're getting paid big bucks just to perform and do what they do. So it's
Yeah,
literally the same
it's
exact thing with trading.
people just don't care to think of it like that way because
Exactly.
you're able to like physically trade for free, pretty much almost like
You can
at
trade
your
any day
house.
you want. Yeah.
Exactly, and like I got cooked so many times last year. Like I'd pass an eval, no problem. I passed my first ever eval, never actually failed one, like taking it serious, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I would always blow my PA account because I was
Wow.
so focused on getting a payout.
Yeah, dude. Have you gotten a payout yet?
I've gotten one in January.
Okay. Yeah, so I mean, bro, after because I got one payout, it was a small one. I got like 650. I was literally talking to my students about this yesterday, but it was like, bro, as soon as I just got that first one, I just got it out of the way. I knew I could do it. It literally just snowballed instantly after that because it was like that nerve of just getting that first one. Because I mean, it's just like you just want to get it. Like you're just like itching to
Yeah.
get it, and then you finally get it. You're like, okay, like it is what it is. Now let me just go get
Mhm.
another one. I can already do this.
Yeah, it definitely like just kind of tells you too, like, yo, this shit's real. The money's real. Just makes you work harder.
It's possible, yeah. When you see it just spawn in your account, it's pretty ridiculous.
Yeah, I
Is
was
it
so
possible to pass
happy.
my first funded? Yeah, it is.
Should be anything's possible.
Bro, I just landed a fucking flashlight. Oh, wait, hold on. I just capped a flashlight. Wait, I need to show you guys this. Dude, I just bottle flipped a flashlight and it landed, bro.
First try?
Was first try. Literally just bounced off my thigh and landed on the dome piece. I think that's just telling us we're about to hit a banger. I think that's the sign.
This chop is
This job is fucked, but I'm just waiting until we
fucking
manipulate
killing
out,
me.
and then if we manipulate out, I'll be looking for a trade. Okay, well, I just fucked my whole setup here. Okay.
I don't think we're like. I know it looks bullish, but I just don't think we're going any higher really,
Mhm.
unless we take out the lows. We're failing to go higher. 15-minute has not inversed at all yet.
Why don't I stream on Twitch? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I do see the lows being taken as well before we move higher, because like just daily, like overall, it would just make sense to take out orders before going higher.
I'm
And
hoping
since
this
bro, we just
15.
pumped like the whole day yesterday, there's so much space to just fill within here.
Yeah, I don't want this 15 to inverse. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, that would not be good. We're range bound for an hour or so, right? Yeah. We'll have to. Well, it's as simple as if we inverse this fair value gap, I am probably heading out. So
Same
basically,
here.
yeah, we got 20 seconds to determine if the stream is just disappearing or not.
You should just end the stream. On
Yeah,
the
just
close.
immediately.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
the fuck, yo!
Oh.
I don't even count those if you have to zoom in. But
I think it legitimately closed like at the candle. Hold on. Like at the wick.
it did. Wait.
We got to go microscopic here.
This is manipulation here. We're going lower. Trust doesn't count.
Ooh.
Okay, if we
It literally
don't go
changed.
lower from here, I'm not taking shit. But if we just pump, I'm getting off.
Yeah, facts. Yeah, that could have been a trick on everyone there. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that before. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Closing at the same exact price as the fair value. Yeah, that's insane. I'm not giving you guys financial advice. No, that is not what I'm giving you guys. Do not listen. No, that is not what I'm doing. JV Ons, if you say some dumb shit like that again, you're getting banned.
Yeah, you're out of here.
You're out of here, pal.
Half size for meme. Half size of what? What are you gonna take?
Yeah, wait, what?
What are you gonna?
Yeah, Reggie, what are we?
Where's the entry?
What are we seeing here? Honestly, for the memes, fuck it, might as well.
For the memes, just fucking
Yeah,
full port all your accounts. Do it.
seriously, dude. I haven't not taken trades. I haven't not taken note. Like, I think today might be a day where I don't take another trade. I haven't not taken a trade on a single day in so long. Not taking a trade 2 days back to back will be a first ever for me. I can't lie to you guys.
That's actually like a good thing though.
Yeah,
I always like
yeah, no,
look at
I'm
that as
very,
like
very
a
proud of
W.
that. Very proud of that. Like, I don't feel like the need. Like, I know 6 months ago, start 2024, I would have been fiending to get in a trade right now. I would have been like, oh my god, I need to see a setup. Okay, we're
Yeah,
going higher.
no.
Okay, I'm entering buys. I'm entering buys.
And
Now,
then you lose.
yeah,
and
then
you
you
just
lose.
fucking get pissed off at yourself the whole day.
And then then you start this rabbit hole of, oh, I just lost. What am I doing wrong? You know what? It's my strategy. I need to go back test my strategy over and over and over until it's right. No, it's bullshit. It's literally all your mental. You know,
Yeah.
if you have a strategy that you've backtested and you've seen the results actually work, you've seen the statistics, and you've seen that you can actually get paid out from it, there's no reason that you should have to backtest it over and over just because of a losing trade. It's probably because of an external factor.
Yeah. See, for me, I never blamed the strategy because,
Yeah.
like I said last night, Johnny Options was my mentor. He's big on psychology.
Okay, yeah.
So, and I paid for his mentorship like I want to say 2-3 months into trading. So he put it in my head that
yeah,
it's
it
all
got nailed in
psychology.
early. That's good.
So for now, like I do not get emotional in any of my trades
That's super
at
good.
all. So that's why I'm like kind of trying to refine a model right now, if that makes sense.
Yeah, dude, once I got
Because
to that point, once I like knew, okay, I knew. I mean, you got lucky though. I mean, you got the psychology nailed into your head early. That's
yeah,
exactly what everyone needs. And then now you
Mhm.
are at that point. Like once I got to the point where I was like, okay, like I would say it started 2024 or 2025 is when I was at the point where I was like, okay, I need to start refining like super hard. Once I started doing that, bro, it's literally been 5 months of profitability since then. So
Yeah.
I'm assuming you're probably super close, but dude, that's exactly what I'm trying to do with all my students is get them to that point of like, okay, you need to have your psychology set. Like this is a psychology game, not a strategy game. Obviously there is strategy, but strategy comes in your psychology as well. But a lot of
Yeah,
the
I
game
mean,
traders that didn't like go through the process you went through, they're just immediately putting it on the strategy.
that's
Like
what I'm
as
saying.
soon
Like
as it happens.
I do feel blessed, just like that I didn't never quit, and I just like, dude, a lot of traders would love to be in my position. Like it's just
Yeah.
I have to be grateful for it
Yeah,
because like
exactly.
my psychology is good, and that's just like I would have never thought though I'd be like trying to get a strategy down rather than psychology.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'm sure that is a little difficult for you, but I mean, if you have a psychology master, bro, literally all it's gonna be is then once that aha moment comes for you, like you just see like your strategy clicking, it'll be so simple for you. It's literally just gonna be a day in day out thing of just you're not
Yeah.
worried about emotions. You're really just coming in, waiting to see what you see, and if you see it, it presents itself. You're taking the trade. It's as simple as that.
Oh yeah, for sure. Did you make this on your own? This model?
Yeah, I kind of just kept like refining, as you said. Like I took strategies. I would just like learn from people here and there, But I just kind of kept refining and refining, and then it's now gotten to the point where there's nothing more that I'm looking for. Obviously, there are like I'll still be taking advice from people. I still am very open-minded. Still just knowing that there are plenty of other ways you can still trade. But like for now, I am pretty just set on like, okay, I know what I'm looking for. There's not really anything more I need to add to my setup. Cole, if you guys know Cole, he made a video yesterday. A lot of people made videos about this, but it's talking about overcomplicating your setup. Like most people would get to the point where they think like they've gotten to the point where, okay, my strategy's good, but I feel like I could do more. I'm usually someone who's always wanting to do more just in life in general. But in trading, you have to just understand that keeping things simpler is honestly going to be better long term. Just having a very simple strategy, looking for some very simple things, is just going to honestly help you not overcomplicate everything and just keep things very simple, and just honestly very like stress free. Honestly.
Exactly, like well said. So yeah, like when I tried learning Johnny's strategy, bro, I don't know if you know how he trades, but like, bro, he
Yeah, no,
just
I don't really
takes
know.
whatever looks good.
Really?
If that makes sense, right? Like, dude, it's kind of fucked. It's like he'll
So I made
see,
20 bands yesterday though.
yeah, I know. But he'll look for like a sweep of liquidity, break a structure, or inverse fair value gap as like a confluence, and then he'll just like use a fair value gap. But like he just that ass takes what looks good, and I feel like it just works for him and not a lot of
Yeah.
people because he's been trading it for so long. It's
Yeah,
just an
yeah.
edge that you build with it.
Exactly.
You know what
Like,
I
bro,
mean?
just over like market experience, you could literally just have like an intuition model and it'll work. There's a lot of
That's
traders,
exactly what he's doing.
like hedge fund managers. I don't know what his name is. There's one like very popular trader, who literally he didn't have a model. It was literally just intuition. Like it was just like, okay, this looks good, I'm taking it. And he would, I mean, he did amazing.
Yeah,
So
it's just people's brains are just wired differently, and
yeah.
that's all trading for you, pretty much.
I always tell a lot of people, like a lot of people, everyone's wired completely differently. Everyone, it's gonna take some people literally like 3 months because they just identify patterns and they can just come into the markets, see things over and over, and can execute. But then some people are a little slow. They can't really pick up on patterns. They kind of take a while to get everything down, and then those are the people that'll maybe take a couple years. But the people who are born and raised with they just pick up on things really quick, they pick up on patterns, they just identify trends, you guys will be the select few that will become super super good at trading within a short period of time.
Yeah, and it all starts with mindset too. You just
Yeah.
have to believe in yourself from the start.
Bro, I don't know if Aiden, do you ever play Fortnite or anything? Assuming you ain't
Yes,
played
sir.
Fortnite yet. Like, I
Not
don't know if
anymore,
you. I
but
don't really. I don't play any Fortnite now. But I'll just scroll on my fucking For You page. This motherfucker named Peterbot. You know who Peterbot is?
yeah,
Bro, okay. It is so retarded to bring trading into this, but it's just talking about confidence. This man is the most confident man you will ever see in the
oh,
entire world. Like it
he's
is,
the one who's
it's
cocky
absurd.
as shit, right?
It's cocky, but you know what it translates to? It translates him literally winning every single tournament over and over and over. Like it's literally not even nobody in gaming history, esports history, has ever done what this man is doing. Like it's actually ridiculous. But if you then look into like sports, I always talk about like UFC, boxing. Like Conor McGregor, big man had the biggest ego, was the most
Yeah,
confident. What did he
he
do?
wins.
Literally ran through the entire UFC within like a year. John Jones did the same shit at like 20 years old. Same with Floyd Mayweather. He thought he was the best, thought he was the greatest of all time, literally never lost a fight. Peter Bot literally thinks he's the greatest of all time, wins every tournament. You can literally start to just kind of formulate that mindset for yourself, like just build this outmost like just killer instinct, killer confidence. Like yeah, Peter Bot low key cold. That's what I'm saying, bro. He's low key just a full nerd, but you got to give him respect for just having this like he really is just like that. Like he just
You need to have that,
yeah, you
like
just got to have
it's
that
not even
mentality.
like a bad ego. Like
Yeah, it's
people like
not
shit on
like
having ego. Like it's an ego you want. You need
yeah, it
confidence like
really
that.
is, bro. Like if you have that full confidence, like if you've got confidence when you're going up to a girl, you'll probably be taking out that girl more times than not. If you have full confidence when you're coming into the market, you'll probably bang on the market more times than not. And then if vice versa, if you're fucking all nervous, all like just like anxious and worried, that girl's probably gonna think you're a fucking weirdo. Come into the markets, you're all anxious and worried. You're like, oh, I don't know if my setups can present itself. You'll probably take a fucking bad trade, bro. Read the
Mhm.
chat, bro. I'm yapping. Relax. But yeah,
I just pulled up the stream.
that was
Yeah, no, I saw a video like months ago about, I think it was RP Profits. I think he was saying if you're scared to talk to girls, like you're gonna be a bad trader or some shit.
It's probably facts though. Probably is
Honestly,
facts.
yeah.
You got no game, bro. I've been really thinking about the Johnny Options Miami trip though, Aiden. I definitely will be
Bro,
keeping you
run
updated
it.
on that. Just because a Miami trip would be so dope.
Come on now.
This shit
That'd be
not worth
fucking sick.
trading. Okay, low key, the only way I'm about to trade this is if in another 5 minutes we inverse this 15-minute gap. If we inverse that 15-minute gap, I can look lower, but if not, I am done for the day. And this will be, it'll be on this 15-minute close. So if the next 15-minute candle wants to inverse, I'm not looking for it because we'll be going into 11. So
Definitely cooked if you don't close on that one.
yeah, so we got 5 minutes before stream is coming to an end. This might be just a second day of no trades. Y'all better be ready. I'm about to probably spam socials with some psychology videos.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but like making psychology videos is fun.
Bro, I swear, like, you can talk to a camera. Like, I don't know, a lot of these other dudes can talk to a camera. Bro, I struggle just like sitting in my car, like talking to a camera.
Yo,
Like,
I'm not even gonna
just trying
lie
to
to you,
figure
bro.
out, like, shit
I
to
know how
say.
you feel, but bro. Like, I'm not gonna I'm gonna be straight up with you, bro. Like, there's times I'll fuck up and I'll just delete it and record it again.
Yeah,
Like,
bro.
it's real.
It always
I
takes
can't-
me like multiple tries, bro. Like, I'll just be talking and then I just say some dumb shit. I'm like, all right, well, just gotta scratch that.
I'm trying to like. I think I want to be like an idiot too on the camera.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly, bro. You don't want to like fuck with your image because you only got one image and one reputation.
Well, not like I want to be. I want to low key be like a TJR or some shit like
You're
that.
trying. Oh, shit. Yeah, I mean, bro, like at the end of the day, you do got to be yourself. Like, you can't like,
That's
like
what
if you're
I'm
just your
saying,
character, if you're in your own character, like you can't just be like some like plain ass motherfucker.
Yeah.
Like,
I
nobody's
only
gonna
saw
fuck
my
with
like video yesterday about going to the gym or some shit. I was just fucking. Well, no, it was serious, but then at the end it was just kind of not serious.
you. I
You
think
ever have a
both.
C4?
What you said? What?
You ever have a C4?
Oh, yeah.
Energy drink?
Yeah.
You know, the itching, the beta aluminum that you
Yeah.
get. Bro, I felt like I wanted to rip my face off. I was gonna say that in the video. It's like I crushed one of them, but
That'd been,
I fucked it up.
What's it called? Yeah, I used to like. I used to take like back like freshman sophomore year, bro. Used to like go crazy on caffeine, taking pre-workout, like double scooping, dry scooping before every lift at like 8:30 at night, like literally taking in like 400 milligrams caffeine right before bed. And then I don't know, there was one lift, bro. There was like one lift where I could literally feel my heart racing, and I was like, I'm never taking caffeine ever again. This is the scariest shit ever. I literally thought I was about to have a heart attack right there and then. And then for
Holy
like
fuck.
3 years straight, literally haven't taken like any caffeine.
Yo, I think I know how you feel. Like whenever I do split squats,
Oh yeah.
like I like whenever I work out, bro, I just kind of work out to like failure or like
Yeah,
until it fucking hurts. But like with legs, I just go until I'm tired out. Split squats, I'll stand up and my heart will be racing and I'll be dizzy and I feel like my heart's gonna explode. It's actually bad. I don't know if it's the caffeine
I mean,
or whatnot.
might be a little bit of both.
It's kind of scary, not gonna lie. Like I don't.
Some kid in my chat says in all caps, "Do not take gear." Then, yeah, if I'm already having
Who's
problems
taking
with
gear?
if I've already got problems with fucking caffeine, if I take some gear, my heart would probably explode.
Were you talking about taking gear?
Oh hell no! He was just saying because gear like it literally makes your blood pressure like go through the roof.
Oh yeah.
Sends your
I
heart
mean,
literally
fuck
racing.
that. The side effects are just pretty scary.
Yeah, I would never take steroids. Not gonna lie. Literally, I would maybe think about taking TRT when I'm like 35 or something, but besides that, I will be completely roid free until then.
Yeah. Honestly, fuck that. I'm never taking that shit. Like when I'm older, I want to have a healthy ass body.
I mean, bro, but like
die
low
from
key,
70.
like with how low the testosterone levels are now, and like how like decreasing or how it gets like as you get older, it probably would like if you got kids or something, and you just want to be like active and like actually be like awake and I guess like have energy. I don't know. One of my friend's dads took him, and he literally became like a whole new person. And I just see it possibly being nice down the road. We'll just have to see. Because obviously we all know those gains are gonna slow down at like 35. You're about to be fucking.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, definitely just yeah, you could probably like Mike, what's it called? micro something.
Oh no, that's what I'm saying.
Don't
Yeah,
use
you can
too
like you
much
can
of
literally
it.
just micro take TRT to like to your
Microdose.
yeah, like
Microdose, yeah.
you basically just like microdose. It would be like all through like doctors, but you basically just like get your test levels up to what you were at like 20 basically. So you're just like literally a younger kid at like 40.
No
Test
side
at
effects or
40.
what?
Test.
No
I
bad
mean,
side
well, because
effects?
when you're at like if you're taking really low dosage and it's like through the doctors, like it's really not gonna have any side effects at all. Like TRT is really good for you actually.
If it's to the doctors, then yeah.
Yeah,
You
it'll
probably
be
consider
kinda
that
straight.
shit.
Obviously, that is literally like 25 years down the line from now, but
Mhm. Okay, we just got that 15-minute close. That's actually
yeah,
a good
I
close
think
though, but
I think I'm done for the
mhm.
day. I'm not gonna trade. We full porting
Yeah.
tomorrow? Hell yeah. Well, yeah, let me check the news tomorrow. I think we have like crazy news tomorrow as well. Sorry guys, no trade today. I know. Hey, some of the students banked though for the ones who took trades. Yeah, I'm not taking any trades. Yeah, listen to Austin. Don't take any trades. It's about 11. If you're not in a trade by 11, should just be chilling.
I bet so many people lose their accounts today. Look at
Really?
the chop. Go on the 2-minute. Like it's just
Oh
so
yeah,
fucked.
yeah, dude. There were so many like IFEGs that we like kept inversing as well, like in the 1 minute. That you could have taken, but just gotten fucked on. But yeah, if you guys are in my TikTok chat, I would recommend probably just enjoy your day today. No need to trade. The win rate stays the same, 89% over the past 3.5 weeks. Love to see
Yo,
it.
anybody in the chat, on the TikTok chat, stop being a call out bot.
Y'all
You'll
heard
never
Aiden here
learn.
first.
You'll never fucking learn.
Hey, for anyone wondering,
Stop
this is
asking.
NQ Aiden on Instagram. If you guys have ever seen him. Quick little
Yeah,
shout
I
out.
joined the chat and I saw someone comment, what's the guy's TikTok that's talking? I don't need. Dude, I gotta, before I start posting on TikTok consistently, I gotta find a way to download my videos because
Oh yeah, bro.
the
Here,
one
I'll
I
show you.
posted
Or I'll
was
send.
so
I'll
ass.
screenshot right now. The one that I used to literally, bro. So my TikTok account, I have like 25K, but it was literally a motivational like edit TikTok account, like from like sophomore year, that I would literally
Oh, you
just go
switched
in
it?
and just like, yeah, wait, hold on, I'm about to send you what I used to do. But I would
Wait,
literally
so
just
you used that?
yeah, so I would literally just download people's like motivational videos, put like a color filter on them, and then just like repost them because you can like download them without the watermark. Here, I'm about to send it in the Discord chat. Which app
You
it
said,
is.
okay. So you pretty much.
Oh wait, hold on. I just joined on. Wait, hold on. I just joined on my phone. Wait, let me come back. Okay, wait, what did you just say?
You pretty much took that TikTok account and just like made it your trading one.
Oh
right?
yeah, then it had like 15K and I just converted it. So realistically, I only have like 10,000 on TikTok. Somehow I have a shit ton more on Instagram, which I don't really
Yo,
understand.
I could. Yo, listen. I have a TikTok account with like 5K, and it's because I was like doing the affiliate
Oh
program
yeah, bro.
last
Yeah,
year.
use that account.
I might just use that one actually.
It might take a little bit though for you to get traction because if you were doing like
That's what I'm
another
saying.
like niche, it might be a little weird. But I mean, literally within like 3 videos, I mean, my like third or second video was the video with my mom. If you've seen that, like of her yelling at me. So
I've seen that one.
that was just coincidentally just a super viral video, but that just instantly kind of got me on track. But I literally give it
Yeah.
like a week and you'll be in the niche of trading.
Yeah, I studied the algorithm when I was doing that shit. So
Yep.
like TikTok's weird. Like that's why I stayed
Yeah,
with Instagram.
bro. Yeah, Instagram is so much better, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if you know the algorithm, bro, you know Instagram is the move without a doubt.
Because bro, TikTok, like if you can't delete posts, really, because like it kind
Yeah.
of just fucks it up. Because I always archive them instead of deleting them, or make them private.
Wait, what do you mean if you like delete a post, it fucks it up?
Well, I don't know if it's changed now or if it doesn't matter, but like 2 years ago, like if you would delete a post on your profile, I think it would like mess up the algorithm. I think. I don't know.
Interesting.
It's been too long.
Good to know. I do know, like, if you ever like, if you like, I don't know if you know, but you can like edit the videos now. Like, if you post a video and then like maybe like misspell a word in the caption or something, you can like go and edit it. Whenever
While
like
it's
you,
posted.
whenever like while it's posted, you can like edit it
Oh,
once,
shit.
bro. If you do that, it like instantly, literally fucks the views. Like you will literally get like 200 views.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah, so don't
it's-
fuck it up.
Yeah, so don't fuck it up. And then, bro,
Yeah.
also like, okay, this happens so many times. You took that trade? Oh, Wubak, come on now. Hey, Wubak, let's hear. Here, come to the stage. Let's hear your analysis here on this. Let me help you out here.
Ubach,
Ah, he's in school. Fuck. Goated though, bro. I can't wait for all the high school guys to be out of school. Get this group really bumping, because there's a decent amount of high school guys in here.
Damn, I wish I started trading in high school.
You didn't. Wait, how old are you?
19.
19. Oh shit.
I might be 20.
That'd be 20. Are you? What class are you? 2024 or
23.
Oh shit. Okay.
What are you?
I'm at 24. I started like
Oh,
senior
shit.
or halfway through senior year of high school. Did you go to college?
Nah.
No.
So I was playing junior hockey. I don't know if you
Oh,
know
shit.
like what junior hockey is.
Is that
But
like the G League for
it's
hockey or something?
Nah, it's just like you go to the age range is like 16 to 21,
Oh shit.
and it's not like insane, but it's like competitive hockey, right?
Okay, yeah.
You basically play that after like when you're around 18, and then you go to college for it, right?
Okay.
Bro, I have another year to play, but I deadass just quit to
Oh, shit.
pursue trading.
That's fire though. I fuck with that.
Yeah,
Fuck
like
with that.
I love the sport. I moved to Florida 3 years ago,
Mm-hmm.
loving the sport, but like, bro, getting into trading kind of just like I was like, yo, fuck this. I want to start my
Yeah.
life now.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, that's how. I mean, bro, I used to play football. Like freshman, sophomore year, I used to be like 250. I was a big boy. But I made
Mhm.
varsity like freshman, sophomore year, and like I like a lot of the dudes that actually like were below me or like the backups to me actually then went on and played college. So I definitely had a good chance. But I literally like sophomore year was like, I don't see myself having a good future in this. You know what? Fuck this. I want to go make some money and create a future for myself. Quit football, lost a shit ton of weight, and then unfortunately it took me like a year and a half to get to trading after that, but ended up still getting
Yeah.
to it and doing good. But yeah, I feel like you do just
feel
got to
like-
give up something in your life to really achieve something. Like you got to sacrifice something almost. to
When
really
you were
make
younger,
something.
though, question: when you were younger, were you always like have big ambitions, right? Would you always like maybe try dropship when you were like
Bro,
14 or
no,
something?
I don't really not like I
Or
didn't
no,
start
none of that.
until like high school because I kind of had like a can event. My like grandma got cancer and I was like, holy shit. Like literally anything in your life can just be taken at like literally any second. And then literally
Yeah,
from
that
that moment,
sucks.
it was literally just like I snapped. Like I lost all my weight. I literally became like a completely different person. I started wanting to make money, and then like I always did have like a little bit of ambition, like but it wasn't like I would start like a lemonade stand maybe in like elementary school or some bullshit. But like through middle school, nah, I wasn't really thinking about any shit like that. And then as soon as high school hit, I was like, yo, like this is really like I really gotta lock in. Like this is not like life is really no joke, honestly.
Yeah, there's always like a turning point.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there is. Everyone's got that turning point in their life. But yeah, like literally, bro, from before like COVID, I literally like I don't even know myself, bro. Like that's literally just not even me.
bro, I was just fucking rotting in bed. I remember literally, dude. I remember one day vividly. I'd wake up at like 10, and then I think I scrolled in my bed until like 7 p.m. I'm not kidding.
Oh, Jesus.
It's so fucked.
That sounds
Like, how can you do that shit?
yeah, like genuinely, how can you just waste a day?
Oh my god, bro. Because like it was summer and there's nothing to fucking do.
Nothing to do.
And then with COVID, you'd be learning from home, so I'd just play 2K.
Yeah, oh my god, bro. COVID
Class
2K
on.
though, like I'm not gonna lie, like
COVID
video
2K was
games over
insane.
COVID was like just something else, bro. That really
I don't
was
honestly,
different
I don't
time.
even regret playing video games
That's what I'm
all day
saying,
in
yeah.
COVID. Because
I
like
do
the
wish I-
memories from that
yeah.
shit.
Yeah, they were fucking. Obviously, I do wish I lifted maybe a little bit more and started trading then. But dude, if you started trading in COVID, I bet you're probably like the most profitable trader of all time now.
Oh yeah. I just like now I don't like to I don't know, I'm just grateful for like even getting into trading. You know what I
No,
mean?
yeah,
Like I
that's what
don't
I'm saying,
like
bro.
you wouldn't be who you are today if like whatever happened in the past never happened. So
There's this video. It's like be thankful that like God put the thought of like trading in your head, and it is like so true. Like literally, just like I mean, any thought that gets put in your head, you can think whatever you want. But some people think it's God putting thoughts in your head. Some people think it's just the universe, but I mean, literally, those thoughts don't just come into your head for no reason. Like, it is pretty ridiculous that
Exactly.
like some people just kind of get gifted with the thoughts of maybe I could get into this, or then even like some people like, bro, when you talk to like I don't know if you talk to like any of your friends from like home or like even maybe your family members, but like, bro, they just look at trading and think it's just like impossible or just like this lucky game that like people just get lucky in. But then the people who actually like take it on, bro, there's something inside of them that's telling them like maybe it's ego, maybe it's confidence, but there's something in them that's forced like telling them to go after it and actually like try and conquer this thing that's so called impossible. Which is I don't know,
Yo, yeah,
find that very fascinating.
I 100% agree. That's why I asked you if you like tried anything when you were like
Yeah.
14, bro. Because I've always tried to like kind of make money since I was 14. Like I always had that like thing in me. And I think it's God too, bro. I think it's just like
Without a doubt.
I think everything happens for a reason. That's the main
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, without a doubt, everything does happen for a reason. It's pretty insane. But no, like before I started trading though, I tried. So like from freshman to senior year, literally tried. I started with Amazon FBA. Found out you needed like a shit ton of stuff for that. Got into drop
Mhm.
shipping. Drop shipping didn't work. Got into SMMA, like a marketing agency. That actually almost worked. I almost actually landed a couple clients for like $1,000 a month. But then stopped doing that. But again, during this whole time, I'm like running socials, doing all that, just learning like the algorithm. Then after the SMA, I get into I did like two things at once. So I like started up a dog waste removal business. So it was like a service-based business where you literally go around and pick up people's dog shit. So I literally just go to people's backyards for like 25 bucks for like literally 10 minutes, pick up dog shit, leave. It was actually a super lucrative business. I wish I still had that business just going on the side because, bro, you literally I could have just hired people and just had that literally fully running while trading, which kind of sucks. But
Yeah.
got into then wrestling and had to stop the business because wrestling season started. And then after wrestling season, I was like, yo, what could I do? Because okay, somewhere in between, like junior year, I had found out about Forex trading. So like I knew about trading, but like I didn't pursue it. I just like found out about it. And then I come out of wrestling season, I'm like, yo, like, all right, I gotta figure some shit out. I'm literally about to go to college, but like I know damn well college is not for me. Like I know there's something better than that degree out there. I'm like, you know what? Trading's probably the move. Like I know there's freedom in it. I'll get into that. But then as I was starting trading, I also then started like that like TikTok like gym motivational edit account. So then I was literally like growing my TikTok and I'm like, yo, if I ever get good at trading, this TikTok account is becoming my trading account and then boom.
Hey,
Year later.
manifestation.
Yeah, a year later it happened. But yeah, like I mean, I really wasn't like big into like entrepreneurship before I kind of had like my Canon event, and then as soon as that happened, I literally tried everything and everything to make money, and then unfortunately, not a lot of it worked out. But again, everything happens for a reason. I'm very glad that I went through all those failures to get to where I'm at today. Because honestly, bro,
Mhm.
like I don't know if you like failed at a bunch of things, Aiden, but like, bro, I would honestly like
Oh,
even
yeah.
now I'm still just like, bro, what did I do to deserve the position I'm in? But like, if I didn't go through all those failures and I just got into trading and then just immediately succeeded, I would feel probably even worse about myself because I could just be like, oh, I just got lucky. But the only thing that keeps me kind of sound is like I've literally tried everything and everything before trading worked out, so that kind of gives me like that hope that okay, it wasn't just luck. Like I really did just try my ass off at this.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. I gotta piss. I'll be back in like 2 seconds. I'll continue this. Hold on.
I bet, yeah.
You're
I'm
cooking.
probably on live for like another hour or so, or maybe like 30 minutes actually. After this, hit some dips. Hold up. Hold on. You already watched this. Holy fuck! Wait, this might be kind of hard. All right, we're getting one dip in without the chair falling. Hold on. Yo, wait, bro, it's so shaky. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, I'll lock in for this. We just gotta send it. Dude, nah, this might be impossible. This is some real calisthenic shit right here. Okay, wait, hold on. Bro, I'm literally about to. I don't know. I'm gonna fall straight into my wall. But my job pays me well, so I can't dedicate time to it at the moment. I'll tell you right now. I don't know if you have a wife or kids or friends or whatever, but literally just if you're getting paid pretty well, bro. Again, I tell a lot of the high school guys this. As soon as you're out of high school, your life is going to change. You are going to have a lot more responsibilities. You're going to have a lot more shit to do. there's gonna be a lot of shit that's just gonna fuck your time up, and it's like, you always say, oh, I need to get like I'm gonna start then or I'm gonna start later, but literally the only time to start is now. If you're in high school, like you need to start now. Like there is no question, because as soon as you're out of high school, your life is going to change. Whether it's you getting a job or going to college, you're just going to be filled up with all this time that you're not going to know how to balance trading in there. So again, for the dude who said he's in a job right now, I don't know if you have a wife, I don't know if you have kids, I don't know what your life is like, but if you are kind of just alone, bro, literally just go to work, come home, instantly study, and repeat. You just kind of got to go on a little bit of a monk mode to if you want to get where you want to get.
Real shit. That's what I was gonna add this too. Like, that's how you find yourself, bro. You just
Oh, yeah.
try other shit. And like I tried reselling, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, like all that shit. And like the thing is too, I like tried reselling, bro. I paid like $800 for like spider hoodies, but like I wasn't gonna actually like sell fake shit to people and scam
Yeah.
people. I was gonna like sell the vendor links because I had them.
Ah, okay.
But also, I only tried it for like three fucking weeks. And that's the thing with trading, bro. Like, it's the easiest to get into
It is.
because, like, once you're sucked in, there's no going back. But
No,
unless,
yeah,
like,
like,
you don't have the
deadass, bro.
mindset for it, you'll just quit.
Like
But
there was not a single point in my trading journey where I was like, I think I'm gonna quit.
exactly the same
Maybe
here.
no, maybe like I had those thoughts like, okay, is this really like for me? Like, is this really like, is this gonna like I was like almost scared. Like it's like that point, like I know I'm not gonna quit, but like I'm scared. Like, is this gonna take like 5 years, or is this gonna take like 10 years? Like you kind of have those thoughts in your head, but like, yeah, as Aiden said, there is like kind of no thought of quitting though. Like you
That's what
literally
I'm saying.
once you're
Like,
in it, there's no going back.
people say, um, like you're lying if you say you never thought about quitting. I just disagree because I never thought about quitting.
Yeah,
It's just that's the proof,
truly.
and it's just like I don't know. Once you're in, no going back.
Bro,
That's
it's
all
my
there is
only
to it.
option. Yeah, it's a lot of people's only option.
Exactly. I said to myself when I started, I'm willing to go 5 years
Yep.
unprofitable. You know what I mean? That's the mindset you'd have.
Yeah,
I'm
you look.
willing to go 5 years.
If you're a good trader, that's the mindset you're gonna come in with. That's probably what like Johnny Options probably cultivated in your mind. Like you gotta kind of have
Oh yeah.
that like idea that it's gonna take 4 to 5 years minimum to get super good, but then you can't understand that there are people who will succeed faster than others.
hmm Literally, like his YouTube has so much good psychology shit. Like he made like a series called like Mind Over Market. Literally like 20 videos of just risk management, pretty much every little thing you could think of, and it was so helpful.
I don't know why I've just never really like I've only seen Johnny Options on like social, so I never really like watched his YouTube or really like even looked into
Yo,
his trading at all.
this is about okay. I'm gonna get into like why you should take risks. I took Loki the biggest gamble, but like in my eyes, it wasn't. My parents, it was. Bro, he was making $200 a day just for like live trading, but he was consistently making it, and I watched him do it, right? And I paid for his mentorship, and my mom was like, "What are you doing? This is, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
not trusting
Yeah,
it, bro." And I
parents are
did
usually
it.
not on board, yeah.
Oh no, fuck no, bro. But no, like I just took a risk. I spent every single dollar in my bank account. I have a screenshot still like about it, and I said I had $70 to my name. Bro, best decision I ever could have done. And that's the biggest thing with like I made a video about this too. That's the biggest thing about buying a mentorship because once you like it's not even just about the knowledge, like you gain a connection with the mentor and he's speaking directly to you, which is allow you to interpret the information a lot easier.
Yup.
Also, it just bets on you. You're just betting on yourself to never quit. Because why would you quit after paying a lot of money
Yeah,
to
deadass.
fucking learn?
That's what I tell a lot of people when they're coming into the group. It's kind of like a commitment to yourself. Like if you are paying to a group, personally, if I'm putting money down, I will show up every fucking day. I do not care. I'm making the most value out of my dollar, and that's kind of like that's what I tell people. Like when they're joining the group, like I mean, unless money's nothing to you, most likely you're going to have some sort of attachment to the group with your money being in there and kind of just forcing you to actually show up. So like if you do go into the mentorship, I actually never went into a mentorship, which I really do wish I did earlier on. But like if you do come into one, like you're literally, it's kind of just gonna like force you to show up basically.
Exactly. That's
Sure
why I
is.
never had limiting beliefs at all.
Yeah.
That's the exact reason. So
Yeah,
it's just
so
it's so helpful. But I mean, here again though too, like if you're already like 6 months into trading, or no, if you're like a year in, you don't need a mentorship.
Yeah.
All the honestly, like the information's all free out there. You know what I mean? Like you said, you never even got one.
I feel like that could go either way. Like if you are a year in and you're just strategy hopping, you're just kind of going from like thing to thing. Like if you stayed with the same strategy for a year straight, yeah, you don't need a mentor. But if you've been strategy hopping, you're like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Like where's my psychology? Like like that you're just struggling with all those things. That's when then you could say, okay, like now might be the time to really figure out like what's going on with my
Yeah.
trading to then figure out like how I can
Then a
advance.
mentor will just kind of set you straight and let you know like the reality of what's going on.
I'm looking at price right now, but Quinn, I do not give a damn. I am done for the day, bro.
Guys, it's gonna inverse the 2 minute.
We're probably gonna just we might dump, we might go literally to my targets right here, but I'm serious.
Do not
guys.
trade.
Yeah, just
Don't trade.
You will feel so much better about yourself if you don't trade this and just simply come tomorrow.
It might just take out low a day, and that's it too. You don't know.
We could
You're gonna
even just
target all the lows.
wick out this low and then move higher.
Exactly.
Yeah, you honestly, if you're thinking probability wise, it's impossible. Don't FOMO. I will not be. Don't worry.
Yo, I'm looking, guys. There's so many call out bots in this TikTok chat.
No, wait. Why is my market order getting rejected? I'm trying to enter on 5,000. Let's go, guys! I just
Yes,
entered.
sir.
Let's go, guys! Come on, come on.
Yo,
This
I'm
is gonna
watching this
cook.
shit.
Oh my God, we're up 50,000. Oh my God. This is like really what some of y'all be watching though, like on your For You page. Like y'all see this and like really think this shit's real. Bro, I saw you reacted to someone who was like posting like
What
the
demo?
bar replay, bro. I was like, dude, I saw that exact video and I just like was laughing my ass off on it.
Bro, I saw that account and I was
Damn,
about,
Seabass, holy fuck. Yeah, no, dude, it's like, how can people actually fall for that? Like, I don't
it's
understand.
just fucking, I don't know, bro. Dude, the zeros weren't even moving too on the fucking bar replay, bro. Dude, he's from like Europe or some shit. So like, I don't even know if you can understand what I'm saying.
Yeah, he's got no clue.
But
No, that's the ultimate
he was
scam
selling
course right there, bro.
ebooks, bro. Like, what the?
Dude, that is just the ultimate scam
Shit.
right there.
I scrolled through other videos too that he posted. It's just all the same shit, bro. Like he was up 5K on the trade. Obviously it was demo, but like, bro, if you're gonna post this shit, like, bro, not even a break even, bro. He went 5K in profit to like
Yeah, no.
minus 2 grand. Like,
Bro,
bro,
whenever
not
you
even a break even, man. Come
Bro,
on.
if I see traders in like hella profit and they're not break even, I'm always skeptical of them. Cause like it doesn't make any sense to
Yeah.
not be break even in most circumstances.
There's a lot of people that say though, like break even will kill profitability, but it depends on your strategy. It all depends on it.
Yeah, it really does.
Like especially if you're trading one mini, like you do, you gotta go break even. You know what I
Yeah,
mean? Because
exactly.
you're in your chances are just no money. You're just a shit ton of money. That's all it is.
I tried to scale in right there, guys. It didn't work. Yeah, exactly. Like there's just no point. Alright, guys, we're going heavy size here.
Joe, I'm watching the shit. I
Heavy
see the available funds. You got like 4 million.
Oh yeah, I have like 21 million in this paper trade account.
Are you dollar cost averaging? Oh, you're in debt now.
Oh shit.
You're fucked.
No, we're good. We're good. We're good. Let's go, guys. Yes, pump, pump, pump. This is all real funds. No, I'm just kidding. Don't ban me on TikTok. This is fake. Oh, wait. Yeah,
Shit.
people do not take this trade. Oh my god, no. Wait, yeah. Please, for the love of God, do not take this trade. This is fake. Wait. Please do not copy trade me.
Hey, guys, stop being
This
call bots.
is fake. No, dude, so many people copy trade me. It's like in my fucking chat. It is ridiculous.
I think it's crazy that you have to tell them it's fake. Like fucking baller, bro.
You'd be surprised, bro. Some people probably did just see me enter and are already in. Students, y'all better not be in.
Yo, what are the comments like on your TikTok posts?
On like the
Instagram.
TikTok,
I know Instagram. I know how Instagram is.
TikTok, honestly,
Like,
people don't really
TikTok.
be commenting like that. Like, I don't know. I mean, like Instagram, bro, you'll just get people commenting whatever, and then people just start fighting in your comment section. Like,
Yeah.
like literally, they just start
Literally.
beefing in the Instagram comments. But like TikTok, I feel like people really don't be commenting like that.
Yo, dude, There's this guy that's been hating on me. It's fucking crazy.
Wait, what's his name?
Like, guy has. Let me pull it up. Maybe it's in my comments. I don't know if you have this issue too, though. I literally cannot see some of the comments when I go on my page. I have to look at them through like the notification center. It's
I
kinda
don't. Yeah,
annoying,
I
bro.
really don't be looking at. I mean, like I get some of my videos have just like literally people just have been talking to each other through my videos for like a week on some of the comment
Yeah.
sections. Like I just don't even look at them really anymore.
No, like this. I'm trying to find this shit. This guy would like told me he told me I should have crashed when I was driving. He was actually kind of fucked.
It's fucked. TikTok
I
chat
think
is
this pussy
crazy.
deleted it.
Are you full ported your parents' economies? What does that even mean?
Good shit. Good shit. Oh, I found it. Dude, okay, he's commented on my page before like a month ago. He was like, we have another teenage trading bro, bunch of laughing emojis. Then he called me a bag of sand, so I told him he looks like one.
Bag
Then he
of
said
sand? What the fuck?
he said stop driving distracted, you bag of sand. Then he said when I told him he looked like a bag of sand, because he kind of does. Dude, this guy's like 35 or some shit. He's just hating on me. And then
Yeah, it's
he
low-key
said,
cringe.
hopefully you'll crash into someone and have to deal with that while yapping.
Bro, that man has the worst karma coming for him. That's all I know.
That's what I'm saying. I think I
Bro,
made a video about it too. Like,
bro's
what
just
comes around
asking
will
for it.
go around. Yeah.
Bro's just
I
asking
don't think
for
he
it.
was like, here's your 19-year-old trading mentor with like a million laughing emojis. I'm like, bro, like, it's so funny. I don't care about hate.
Bro, it's like,
It's
how do you
so
have that
funny.
much time in your day to like genuinely go type that out? Like,
Yeah,
just
like
fucking
I actually
scroll
felt
past the
sorry for
post.
whatever he was going through when he said that shit, hoping I crashed. Like I would never wish that upon
Yeah,
someone.
that's just terrible, bro. Like, what is wrong with you? You're literally wishing death upon someone. That is awful.
Yeah, that's so fucked.
Well, he didn't. I don't know if he said he wanted to die, but
I mean, he definitely meant that shit.
yeah, Jesus, definitely. Well, he has something. He
Definitely
has something
meant
coming
it.
for him, unfortunately. Bro's
My
down
God.
10 mil. Guys, chill. This is my live account. This is all of my money. But notice, literally, if you wanted to try and run or catch this trade to the downside, what happened? We took internal liquidity and shot up immediately.
Literally.
Didn't even take external.
Yo, who took that trade?
Yeah, guys, who's
topped
taking
out.
this? Who's taking this banger right now? Call this from the top.
Now, who actually took the trade though?
People are saying they
actually
genuinely
took it?
actually entered on this. I'm praying that you guys are joking.
How did you manage?
How do I keep myself accountable? In handling your bad decisions? Well, you just have to eat your bad decisions. Like, if you made a bad decision, completely up to you. Unless you're copy trading me and I make a bad decision, then obviously it's not up to you. But that's why I recommend never copy trading, because then you can just make excuses and basically say, "Oh, he was the reason I lost. It wasn't me." No, it's bullshit. You got to make all your own decisions, and you will basically, you will literally pin yourself in a corner. To if it's every single decision is completely yours, everything you do that is right or wrong will be completely up to you.
You know, anybody that breaks the rules, start coming into the day asking yourself how you'll feel after you trade. Because I know a lot of you guys, when you break your rules, you'll just have a grudge the rest of the day,
It's valid. It's
or
valid.
when you lose a lot of money. That shit's the worst. You don't talk to anybody. Everyone just pisses you
Yeah,
off.
they're just like, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and exit my 8.5 million position here, guys. That was sad. I don't even know why I paper traded. That was just retarded.
It wasn't a. We didn't know it was a fake out, but it was just
How do I know it was
very
fake?
probable of that.
I wish I had 12 mil in my account. I'll tell you that. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, literally, this is the most. Looking at the 5-minute, 15-minute, that's the most disgusting chart I've ever seen in my life.
Yo, London low did not get swept.
I'm not looking for anything, bro. Like, what even is this? Like, legit.
No, someone said London low got swept in your chat.
Oh, yeah, London low did not get swept.
Nowhere near.
Did you punish yourself back in the day? Well, yeah, I would just. I would just hit a harder lift. Like low key, that was just me punishing myself. I would say if you're not into like lifting or martial arts or something, you're gonna need something to like take your energy out on if you do have a bad day. Because if I didn't have lifting or during when I first started, like when I very first started trading, I was actually pretty good at jujitsu. But then I fucked my arm up and haven't got back into it since. But like those were literally just having a like channel to just channel your energy, all that just negative energy and negative thoughts into either like helping yourself through like lifting or like a martial art. It will, or even just like a sport, will help very tremendously. Because I guarantee, like, okay, if you do you have a belt? Yeah, I'm literally a one stripe white belt. I did it for like 3 months, 2 months. Blue belt, I wish. I never competed. Dude, it was so frustrating because as soon I could have competed, because I was 17 and a half when I started. I was just about to turn 18, so I could have competed in like an amateur tournament, but then literally right before I was gonna compete, I fucked my arm up. I was actually so sad. So now if I compete, I'm literally going up against like fucking literally anyone. Could be a fucking 25-year-old. I could get absolutely spanked. So essentially, we need to wait until we get a little bit bigger to get back into that. Kickbox, I used to do
Right.
Muay Thai as well.
Injury in sports are just so fucking annoying. I
Yes.
swear.
Yes. Yeah, when you're like forced to like do something, it is kind of frustrating. Like you're like forced to get to a practice or like forced to do something. It is just like annoying.
hmm Dude, like I said, I loved hockey like 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Then the next year, I met like my buddy that pretty much changed my whole mindset, opened my mind.
Oh yeah.
And like I was like, okay, I'm probably gonna quit next year. And then the next year that happens, which was a few months ago,
Mhm.
bro, every single month going in, bro, I just stopped loving the game
Yeah.
because of trading. Like, bro, I started like I did not want to like I went to the practices, like I would have more fun just being with the boys.
Yeah. Yeah, and that like that feeling of like losing love for something is just so sad. Like
But it's
especially
like
a sport. I mean, but you just know like it has to be done. Like you got to separate yourself.
it's for like a good reason. So like that's why
Exactly.
like I didn't like get depressed obviously or like just felt really sad. It's just like it's just what has to be done because like my older brother, he started his life at like 27 because he played like pro
Damn.
after playing what I did and I'm like, bro, like fuck that.
Yeah, dude,
Honestly.
that sounds 27 starting your life is just like that's way too late, bro.
Yeah.
Me at least.
It's just like you can't do anything.
Yeah, I've got an older brother. He plays football at Kentucky. But I mean, he's gonna be starting life at like 22, 23. I don't really know. I mean, that's
That's better.
normal, but like I'm still just even like I want to be out of college traveling by like 20. I don't even want to be thinking
Yeah.
about a college degree or anything.
I wanna travel Europe
Oh
like
yeah, without a doubt.
through my 20s, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, me and my girlfriend, because I'm not in school anymore, but she's thinking about possibly studying abroad junior year, and I was like, dude, I'll literally get us some beautiful fucking European
Yeah.
Airbnb for like
Head
6
out over
months,
there.
bro. Just live the life wherever she wants to go.
Content would be sick
Oh,
too.
dude, yeah, it'd be insane.
Mhm.
Although I would have to make sure that like the time I'm trading is like a relative time. Like I can't be trading at like 10 at night if we're somewhere
Oh
new.
fuck that.
Yeah, I need to
You're gonna be over there. You
I
want to be
mean,
free
trading at
around
like
10
in the
o'clock.
afternoon would be beautiful because what? There's 6 hours.
No,
Most
it's gonna be
most of them
like
are like
2.
yeah, it'll be like 2
It'll be like
o'clock.
2
Yeah.
p.m.
That'll actually be kind of nice. I have not taken trade. I'm not trading today, guys. Going 0 for 2 on the week, so literally only
How
traded Monday.
can you trade?
Yeah, like I don't
Guys,
looking
like
at
look at the
this, like I
chart.
don't see
It's a
what I'm.
fucking barcode.
Yeah. Take another paper trade real quick. All right, bet. No, I'm not doing that. That's just retarded. No, we're not doing anything. German time.
All right. I'm gonna sign it off here. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
I'll
head
probably
out.
hop off as well, bro. Hey, it was great talking to you, Aiden. I'll just see you
Yes,
in
sir.
here more,
You
bro.
too.
Again, can't really respond to DMs for like 3 days, but once I can, I'll get back to you.
Yeah,
All right, bro.
definitely. All right.
I'll
Peace
catch you
out.
tomorrow, bro.
Peace
Deuces.
out, chat.
All right, see you, students. I will see you guys at 4:30 for class per usual. I'm gonna get the rest of the schedule, so like the next 2 week schedule put out for you guys as well, so you guys have an understanding of what we'll be getting into after these 2 weeks. So I'll just probably do like an every 2 week schedule, so you guys have an understanding. But with that being said, I will see you guys at 4:30. Deuces, students. All right, TikTok and YouTube. It was great streaming. No trades today. And no trades yesterday either. So just 0 for 2. Or not 0 for 2, just no trades for the past 2 days. I love all you guys. Appreciate y'all for always tuning in. I will just see you guys at 9:45 or 9:30 for tomorrow's stream. Deuces. No PM session. I'm not trading at all today. You will not see any random story of me posting an Asian session trade or some bullshit. No, you guys see everything live. I will not. I just don't even want to trade Asian or London session or PM session at all. I'm just done for the day. With that being said, I will catch you guys tomorrow. Deuces.